What's up, guys? It's Dana. Welcome back and hope all of you are doing fine. And remember, this is not financial or investment advice. Always do your own research. So, and right, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button. So, the market is tanking. It's been bad since my last stream. I actually made a stream before yesterday, but I spoke for an hour and a half and it was on mute. I noticed it too late. So, yeah, unfortunately, I didn't make it public now. But since the last stream I made, not much has changed. It's kind of been playing out pretty much. So, but anyways, let's look at the general market, how it's looking. Most are looking red, bloody. A lot of coins have been going down. There's nothing much to talk about. It was kind of expected. We not expected, but we were discussing. I was discussing that we are still in a bear trend, even though Bitcoin went up a little bit. But we are gonna look at some altcoin charts. But first, we will start with Bitcoins, and then we will go from there. For those of you who are just watching, if you would watch my last stream, it would be better when you look at this one too, because you'll see the continuation, the patterns, what has happened. So if you'd like to watch the last video, it wouldn't be a bad idea. So let's start off with Bitcoin. There has been a channel that I have been following since my first stream, like 2 weeks ago or something like that, I think now. I kept on talking about how I thought it was important that we shouldn't get back inside this range if we were gonna continue with the relief rally, but we did get rejected at the long-term moving average. We tried to hold that support here outside the parallel channel, but it didn't work out. It didn't work out well. So this kind of indicates even the relief rally was not that strong. It was a short term, like I was saying. I thought it was gonna be a short-lived bullish action, and it was. On the daily, RSI is back to kind of neutral. We tried to break above the 50 level, but we couldn't. MACD is getting weaker. We are outside of the parallel channel also now. Well, this is a bearish outplay that's building here. It's indicating that the trend is gonna continue. This and this is kind of indicating that the trend is gonna continue in the trend it's been at. And this was the daily. Let's look at weekly. We did start off green, but now it's kind of looking ugly. But the week is not yet over, so we will see how this goes. We do have some type of regular divergence, but we will see how it goes. And monthly, we are just breaking the last RSI level we had in 2020. It's not looking so good. I mean, look, if we look at it this way, I'll try to find a chart that's not so clogged. Just a moment. This is the 4-hourly. If we look at Bitcoin this way, it looks like the bottom could have been in, especially if we zoom out. The problem is we don't have anything confirming this yet, because in my opinion the trend is still bearish, so it might be in, but there's nothing confirming it. So until we have some confidence that it is in, until we get some more factors, it's pretty hard to be sure. But it looks like it from, I mean, much better on the weeklies. Just a moment. You see here we have been holding, but there's nothing confirming right now, especially not on the weekly, that's confirming that the bottom is in. Not on the monthly level either. So yeah. We did get, I mean, Bitcoin, let's see now, it got rejected at the long-term moving average and the hard line of the parallel channel, and we are outside of the channel too. I mean, it was around, I think, let's check it out. This is too confusing. I have to. Yeah, it did bounce off 29 around 29,300 on the 1st of June and went all the way to 30,700. We couldn't get above the hard line, and we could not hold above the 38.2 fib level either. And we got rejected again. We might have support around 29 to 29,300, but we don't know if the bottom is in. It could be, like I said, but there is nothing convincing us to say that yet when the trend is still leaning more towards the bearish side right now. We did touch around 29,300 twice and bounced off it. What was acting as resistance before is acting as support here. I hope you guys can hear me well. If not, let me know so I don't speak with myself like last time. Looks like we could have a very, very short-term action to the upside, probably, maybe. Looking at this, the regular divergence. But I don't know how far we can go. Let's look at the hourly. Hourly 2 is showing some, yeah, we might have a short-term action to the upside. It's looking like it. There was a chart where I had the descending triangle, and as you guys can see, like we might come back down looking at the bigger picture, but short term still looks like it might go up a little bit again. We will get back to Bitcoin soon. Let's have a look at Ethereum USDT. So on my last stream, I was talking about how important it was that we do not break below this level here for us to continue with the relief rally, but that didn't work out. In general, market is looking weak. Let's look at the weekly. Okay, there is regular divergence here too, but the weekly is not over yet. We'll see how this ends. We are holding the mid-term moving average. So, okay. And monthly looks bad. Let me look at Ethereum USDT on Bybit. Weekly is showing regular divergence, but short term things are not looking so good. If we look at the daily, the Tenkan Sen this one, this blue line, is below this red line, the Kijun Sen, and that's also bearish. This, by the way, is related to the, I think it's called the Ichimoku, Ichimoku, I think. There's nothing that's telling us that long term the reversal is close, but short term yeah, but it's nothing that, I mean, we are below this level. We have to get back above these levels, 1784. Otherwise, the moment we broke this one, yeah, I was expecting us to go further lower. The hourly on Ethereum, we're still not oversold either on the daily, not on the 4-hourly either. But I like this regular divergence. that's building so far. It's not completed yet, but it's building. And yeah, the Tenkan Sen is above the Kijun Sen here on the 4-hourly, but it's still below all the moving averages. So if we look at the hourly, yeah, I think we're gonna see a little bit of a little action to the upside. Both RSI and MACD are showing divergence, and let's see if there's any support holding us here. Oh, we are in the golden pocket. So we have like 3 factors so far. Daily is in the golden pocket, and for hourly we have some. No, was it the fall or daily? Sorry, it was the hourly. Hourly, RSI and MACD are showing regular divergence, but nothing confirmed, nothing sure. We'll see where it goes, because the general market sentiment is looking very bearish. Let's have a look at Sol. I think, I don't know which video it was. Just a moment. I'm just looking for the video I made the last time about Sol. Okay. So this is the video I made on I think maybe the 31st of May or the 1st of June. I don't remember when, but I don't know what was going on with the Sol fundamentals. I just read up a little bit before yesterday. I mean yesterday or before, I don't know, but this was after the stream I made. So because I was just looking at it at coin market cap and then suddenly decided to take a look at the charts, and already then I did say it was not looking good. have a new Solana. Let's start with the monthly since we have a new monthly candle. And it's looking bad. Wow. Wow. If we break this, there's nothing holding us until these prices. Mm-hmm. We are not oversold, not on the weekly, not on the daily, not on the monthly. This is not nice. We're going lower. I don't even have to. I think it wants to go lower. I think Solana, do you want to go lower? Yeah. Hmm. I mean, we are trying to hold the short-term moving average by a thread. Can we go higher on the daily? Yes, but no further than probably between 48 to 49. We have some kind of resistance here. If you see this line, you can just draw it like this. Yeah, so that's why we probably started. People maybe took some profit here, but monthly is looking ugly in Solana. I mean, wow. Okay, what else? So let's see what has happened with Solana since then. this is since the monthly started. Oh, sorry, this is Ethereum. There you go. This since the monthly started on Solana. I think when I made the video, we were somewhere here, and we've gone down since then. This is the daily. So let me just remove indicators. Let's see what we can do here. Let me just remove this and bring it back just a moment. I'm still here, guys. I'm just charting this. Give me analyzing it, sorry. Give me a minute. By the way, guys, if you like the stream, give it a like, comment, let me know. So, okay, here we go. So, Solana, let's look at what factors we can find. So, daily is not looking so good. We are not oversold still. We can go lower. Because we're losing positive momentum in the MACD. RSI is bearish. That's the daily. Weekly is not, I mean, we do have, we do have some kind of support level here, or buy levels. or some type of support. But if we break this 24.4, we have nothing holding us until 18. And if we break that, well, we will get to it if we break that. Yeah, 17, 18. And the numbers I say are not to the dot. I'm just saying around. And short term looks a bit more interesting. We have regular divergence building, just started with a positive momentum. MACD, RSI turning upwards. We do have resistance around $41, so somewhere here I can draw a line. The Tenkan-sen is below the Kijun-sen, but it does look like it wants to have a little price movement to the upsides, very, very short term. So that was Solana. Let's look at US oil. Oh wow. On one of my streams, I made a video about US oil pumping that was breaking out of this ascending triangle. And we did break once above it. We had a breakthrough. Then we just fell below it again, tried to hold, but it was looking bullish on the long term, so it's a nice candle. We opened just above $117. It's just somewhere above this line here. So this was crucial. This is gonna be interesting. Oil, US oil. Right, waves. If you look at one of my streams, I spoke about this one. I did notify this as being a pullback from, I think, somewhere here. Yeah, I did talk about a pullback, and I did talk about us probably reaching those areas, these areas. Why? Because it's the golden fib level. short-term moving average is crossing over the midterm on the 4-hourly. Daily has had nice volume past days. It's growing a bit weaker now. On the daily though, we are still not above the short-term moving average, which means we are probably not gonna go higher than this. We have to break at least above this one and hold above it for me to consider we're going higher. But I think waves have a little bit, I don't know, it's looking, just a moment. Yeah, we're going down. I take that back. Just a moment. Yeah, we might reach these levels, but this is not a long-lived. And why I bring it back, it's not because of the daily. This is completely wrong, okay? Remember, fibs always from the highs to the lows, so lows to the highs. But it's because of this one, so you guys don't confuse it. And draw the wrong way and stuff. Anyway, the Kijun-sen is above the, the Tenkan-sen is above the Kijun-sen on the 4-hourly. Daily not, but the Kijun-sen seems to be dropping down. So it doesn't look like it's done. It might go up a little bit more, but we do have resistance around the areas it is at. And looks like we do have some type of let me check the hourly. We could have some type of support around, if we break these levels, 9.2. The good thing is we are above this cloud. But if we break below 9.3 on the hourly, short term, we could see yeah, we do have support around these areas. 9.3 anyway. Back to yeah, 8.6. If we break those, yeah, it's another thing. This is just very short term though. Let's have a look at, so we've had a look at Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Waves. We will have a look at one more, I don't know which one yet, and then maybe 5 or 10 minute break. Guys, if you like the show, hit the bell button to get notified when I go online next time, and don't forget to like and subscribe. If you like the stream, consider doing so. So next we can have a look at Luna. If I can find it. The chart has always been very confusing since the ticker name change, and okay, this is Luna Classic, I think, because of the price. Yes. There's no point in looking at the daily chart. Too confusing. We are at some type of support here, looks like it. Here. Which acted as resistance at these areas here, as you can see. But around these areas, we do have some type of support. I have to scroll a lot to zoom in. Okay, there is some type of, this is the hourly. It feels like it's like there's no meaning in analyzing Luna, but we can do our best. I mean, there is a meaning. As long as Luna gets burned, there is hope for Luna. And maybe, you know, I mean, we don't know. Right now, it looks like Do Kwon doesn't have any plans for Luna Classic, but if there are plans for Luna Classic plus the burning, we could see a lot of action. But as long as supply is 6.9 trillion, we're just analyzing for fun. I mean, that's what we do with most of the other ones too, but yeah, this is the support level that I can see. If we break this, yeah, I don't know, but it looks like we have support. We can have a look at XRP. XRP looking bearish at the daily. We have divergence indicating the trend is going to continue the way it's going, the way it's been, which is bearish. We are not oversold. MACD is positive at the moment, but still divergence is indicating trend continuation, this trend that it is at already. But 4 hourly is looking better. Let's see now. Looks like old resistance is acting as support right now. Here, old resistance here, and as support right now. So looks like we are at support levels. But we are in a downtrend overall. XRP, like everything else. Hourly. Hourly, people might, if we can make it above 0.39, above this level here, target can be around 0.4. XRP, very short term. Let's see if this 4 hourly is another new higher low. We can do this. And if we break 0.4, which I think will be a bit difficult because we did get rejected here. Midterm moving average, as you guys can see, we got rejected here. So yeah, first let's have a look at level by level. I like reading level by level. So let's see if we even get back above 0.39 and inside this cloud. The Tenkan-sen kind of wants to cross below the Kijun-sen, but it's holding. But right now for hourly, we are below all moving averages. Daily same. Hourly too. The short term just went below the long term too, so there's a lot of resistance around 0.39, 0.4. Okay guys, a little break for all of us to stretch a little bit, stretch our legs and stuff, have some water, coffee if you like. Where I am, it's pretty late, so I'm not gonna drink coffee, but I'm gonna have some water and juice maybe. So I will see you guys. I'm not gonna shut off the stream. I'm not gonna end the stream. I'm just gonna let it be. And I will see you guys in 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Let me know, guys. Should I go out from the chart, or do you want me to leave the chart open? Okay, no answers. Okay, I'm just gonna leave the chart open then on the screen, and I will be back. Please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting that bell button. And if you would like me to look at some altcoin soon when I'm back after the break, just let me know.
Don't let download limits hold you back. Upbeat Premium gives you unlimited access to the world's hottest beatmakers and indie artists. Go Premium and get unlimited downloads for just $6.99 a month.
Sup guys, I'm back. So I forgot to talk about one, well, pretty hot news in the entertainment world plus the crypto world. I think it's it's good publicity for crypto, very good publicity. And this is the news I'm talking about. So the weekend is excited. Well, he tweeted out that he's excited to partner with Binance and Binance US for my After Hours Till Dawn tour. We will use innovative, innovative, innovative Web3 tech to connect with you in new creative ways and collaborate on charitable efforts to provide food to those in need. This came out today. This is awesome. Binance is doing things. I mean, they're literally like over a lot of places that are seen by millions and millions of people, like football stadiums, and now tours for artists like The Weeknd. We're talking about The Weeknd partnering up with Binance. Yes, yes, it's a big deal. I mean, with all the negative things going on in crypto, this kind of things still makes it look like, you know, not Binance makes the crypto world like a bit more legit compared to what all these scams do um, to the whole picture of crypto. So good job, Binance. Good job, CZ. Very nice. So back to Bitcoin. I hope you had a nice break. So we are trying to get back in the channel. I mean, there's really not much more going on. Just a moment. Let's see if it's at buy levels. Yes, yes, it is. Like I said when we first started the stream, that we might see a little price action to the upside, very, very short term, but it's not gonna last long if we turn back down around these levels again. So all in all, it's still the same. I mean, it looks like what I've been talking about the last few days is kind of playing out mostly. So yeah, that's Binance. In general, the market is bearish. I mean, a lot of coins are down like 80%, 90% from their all-time highs. For example, if we look at move this and this, 13.7 last year, 13.7. Since then, it's down like 92%. 92%. And if we have a look at lunc USDT, which one should we take? Finance probably. Wow, okay. Let me remove these. Lunc. Since May of 2021, exactly a year ago, kinda exactly a year ago, it's down minus 89.5%. This is lunc. If people are still like thinking we're not in a bear market, then they're not seeing the bigger picture, the macro picture. We're back to where it was before the big rally. Let me take away the indicators. These were the days where people bought and did not regret it. Link had a very nice rally, but it's now down over 80%. We should have some type of support soon. I'm gonna look at the, just a moment. Link. Yeah, we should see some type of reversal here. We've been holding, but we are not oversold on the monthly. Yeah, we do have a regular divergence. And the fact that it's at a level where people buy. So 4.8, I can see us probably going down to 4.8 too. But right now, this was support then, and now it's acting as support as well at these levels. But that's a very long-term vision. I think right now it's kind of best to stick to the short terms. Let's see, we could be, no, but we do have some type of range here. Just a moment. Okay. So we are playing within a range here. Chain link. We are below the hard line right now. It's been acting both as resistance sometimes and support sometimes, as you can see, but we are below it. So we could have a sideways action that goes on like this. I don't know how long. But it seems that way right now. Even looking at the 4 hourly and the hourly as well. So yeah, Solana, let's have a look again. Not looking good. It is not looking good. I don't know what exactly happened. I kind of tried to research what was going on when I heard about some crash or something. I don't know. I don't consider this being a crash, but I mean they meant the whole crash. But I haven't been watching it since forever until yesterday. It's not Solana is not one that I used to keep an eye on because I just didn't get there. But yeah, anyway, I read somewhere that validators in the Solana network were not processing new blocks for many hours. So the applications built on Solana's blockchain were taken offline as a result, and so it had an impact maybe on price, I don't know, but I was saying it was gonna go lower only based on analysis. That day we looked at it, a monthly candle had just started, and I said that it wasn't looking good, and we are already below last month's candle. So it's definitely not worse than what happened to Luna. Luna just that was like I said on the first stream. I've never seen anything crash like Luna did. Sorry, not crash, collapse like Luna did. Sorry, I mean Lunk, Luna Classic. Even though this is crashing, it's still not as bad as what happened to Luna Classic. We are holding well. Wow, okay. And this happened right after I said we are having some type of support, and I guess support is holding. Nice doji. It's funny that we can analyze this chart, but we have to zoom in and look at the hourly, otherwise it's a bit difficult to analyze. We are being rejected at the short-term moving average. Anyway, compared to Solana, that was what I was talking about. Look at this. You cannot compare it with Solana. Because some were kind of comparing it with what happened to Solana, but it's not comparable with Solana, if you ask me. Okay, just a moment. It's kind of lagging a little bit, but I think I've fixed it now. So, Aave down from its all-time high to 80, wow, It's down 84%. Remember this stable coin from not so stable coin master? I heard rumors, I don't know if they're true or not, that's why I call it rumors, that he was thinking of making a new stable coin. I don't know if it's a joke. I hope it's a joke. Because, yeah. But he might do it. He really might do it. Ethereum. Sorry, guys. So Ethereum looks like we could go lower here. Sorry, guys. Still sore throat. But we could go lower here. Touch this midterm moving average because we are breaking support here. If we get back into the Ichimoku cloud, these straight lines here tend to work as magnets sometimes, but this is not a sure thing. What's a bit more sure is not sure. This is not financial advice, but the golden fib here. So 0.5, 0.497, not like at the dot of the prices I'm saying, but around would be buying areas. People who would set up, like, have buying orders ready. Then we have dot. Or let's look at FTM. We haven't had a look at FTM in a while. Wow. Let me remove this. FTM is since the highs of October 2021. It's down 93%. 93%. It was at $3.4. Now it's 0.36. Wow. Yep. If you're making if you're doing paper trades, you're not panicking right now. If you're just learning and stuff. But people who had just imagine people who had longs opened somewhere at the highs, they're completely crushed now. FTM, you see how we keep on like having some type of support at this special fib level here, special and special, but the most eyed one. So people bought here again, people bought here again. Well, looks like it so far. But we couldn't even break above the 50% Fibonacci. So a lot of resistance here. This is a bear market, in my opinion. All this, everything is in a bear market. These are not the times you should fear. These are the times like people should look at charts, because looking at charts here, okay, maybe here, okay, fine, but here it's not gonna teach you much. But from here onwards, it's worth it. So what else? What else should we have a look at? We've had a look at waves, Solana, XRP, Ethereum versus BTC, Ethereum versus USDT, Link, Aave, FTM. We can look at the Bitcoin dominance chart. Looking nice. But like I said last time, just because Bitcoin dominance is looking good doesn't mean it matches the price action. It could just be that money is flowing out from the altcoins too. So we might have some pullback in the Bitcoin dominance. but we will see. Total crypto market cap is at 1.2 trillion. Mm. Everything wiped out in one candle after one day. Just gone. So guys, I think I've been live for 2 hours, over 2 hours now. If you guys like the stream so far, please consider liking, subscribing, and to get notified before I go live next time, hit that bell button too. Sometimes it's always good to lock the drawings. I do not like it when I accidentally move the drawings when I'm just trying to move the whole chart. Are we being rejected here again? But we are still outside of the channel still. No change from what I said last time in the beginning. Let's see what other markets we can find. Coin market cap. Or do we already have one? No. Oh yeah. So Luna's total supply has been decreasing. We can have a look at BitQuery. Okay, just a moment. Bit. Not sure. Yeah, this one. Where is Luna? Or do we have to have the address? Yeah, okay. I'm just trying to go to Twitter and find it so we don't enter something else. So, here we go. When did Duquan give the address? On May 23rd. So let's have a look from May 23rd. Or maybe not May 23rd, sorry. May 21st. Okay, from May 21st till now, apply. So 750 Luna Classic coins burned so far. So almost a billion soon. And it's only been a month almost. The community is very strong and the exchanges helping out with this are actually making a difference. That's a lot of coins. 750 million. Just a moment. $750. That's $72,300. So these 750 million Luna Classic tokens that have been burned are worth $72,300 right now in this price at 0.000096. So the total supply is decreasing. People are still trying to get this burn sorry guys, burn proposal through. I wonder which markets still have Terra Classic. Almost all the old ones except Coinbase. And I don't think it will ever get back on Coinbase. I don't think Luna 2 will either see Coinbase ever. Because I don't think Coinbase trusts anything to do with the quants projects anymore. And once they delist, I don't think they relist. It's like XRP. Once they delisted it because of all the SEC things and lawsuits and stuff, it never got relisted again. Yeah, crazy times in crypto. What else? USD coin, BNB 297. We could have a look at BNB chart soon. So we can have a look at it. Cardano minus 3%. It's been doing good past 7 days. 23% up. You can have a look at it. Cardano does not look very bullish. Yes, we had a pump. Some type of divergence in the RSI could be seen. Good volume, but got rejected here around profit taking levels. And also the short-term moving average. But I do think we can go higher. We could come to really touch these profit-taking levels. This is the daily, by the way. Look at this candle, this one, this gravestone doji. This is not a nice candle. And we went down after that. Are we at some type of support now? Yes, indeed. Touched the important fib level twice. Bounced one time, and looks like we are bouncing now too. But I don't like this candle. We'll see. Daily is only daily candle is gonna be closed in like an hour, so it's okay to keep an eye on it and see what happens then. But if I look at the short term, very, very short term, we are being resisted here. It could take a while, but we might get up to these areas here because we do have some type of resistance here too. So yeah. So only 2 minutes left till the hourly candle is closed. Look at this perfect like rejection that's going on here. Ooh, 12 hourly. Wow. Even though we are in buying levels, I don't know. Like I said, we could, but when I said we could have a little pump, we were somewhere here, I think. Yeah. And we touched this, so unless we break back inside the channel. Last time when we were up here, it was if we break down, it's a problem. And now if we don't break up, don't break to the upside, back inside this range, yeah, some people are not gonna like it. But we did speak about the bears probably being in control, and an hourly candle has started. And it's not looking so good. We do have positive momentum building on the MACD though. And do you remember the candle itself is not looking good, but we do have um no we don't. I take that back. Yeah, we are being rejected here. This is weak, but we are starting to build positive momentum on the MACD. But the candle didn't start out good. This hourly candle doesn't give a lot of confidence for the daily start, for the daily candle, how tomorrow's gonna look. And plus, it's the weekend, so the price action tends to be a bit like on the low side then. But there is some, and there are some weekends where Bitcoin just rips it off to the upside. But these were the old bullish days. Okay, guys. I don't know if we should be taking a break or if that's enough for today. We've gone through everything that we've been speaking about on these past streams when it comes to different crypto price actions. Not much has changed. Hope people didn't like long here and stuff. A lot of people were very bullish and went all in, and I don't know what, but it wasn't so smart. So this is interesting as well. Just noticed it. Just a moment. There seems to be a lot of shorts getting ready, as you guys can see on these prices. This is live, by the way. Some huge long orders around 28.9. Longers and shorters are fighting though. So guys, I will be back in 5 to 10 minutes. Let's have a break. I'm gonna try to be here till the daily close. So stretch your legs, have some water or something. I'm gonna put the chart back on and I'll be back soon. And I'm back. Bitcoin looks like it's being rejected. We can see it clearly here. Maybe that was the upwards movement. That was it, maybe. Like I said, if we don't get back above this line, back in this range, excuse me, then we might just continue down. Yeah, these, even the 10-minute candles are not looking good. This is bullish though. There's bullish divergence on the 10-minute chart. We have 6 minutes left to go. The Tenkan Sun is above the Kijun Sen, which is also a bullish thing, but this is the 10-minute chart. Now we're talking about very, very, very short terms, short paper trades. I am pretty tired, guys. I'm just trying to be up till at least the daily candle closes and keep this weekend stream going. One minute chart. Hmm. We've looked at many coins today. Price action in general is pretty much the same since I spoke on my last stream. Look at this. Nice profit taking levels. People sold. Nothing unusual. So far we're holding the Tenkan Sen, so almost on point. Past days, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 days in a row we're above it. But we're still below the Kijun Sen. Kijun line. Well, let's just say red line. We do have let's see. We could have maybe some type of divergence building, but it's not sure yet. Let's give this some time. But short term, we did hit, yeah, like there was a chance to take profit here and here twice. We had some type of sideways action before we actually went down. Dodge coin. This was a nice analysis I did a while ago, a long time ago. It kind of played out, not to the dot, of course, but almost. Nice symmetrical triangle, daily. But since then, after those two rejections, yeah, all we've been seeing is kind of pump, dump. One day pump, dump. One day pump, dump more. One day pump, dump again. Uh, this is not looking good either. We bounced off the midterm moving average. We will see if we build some type of divergence. Could looks like it, but there's nothing confirmed, so we don't know yet. Dodge daily is not looking good in general. This is just indicating that it's gonna continue downwards. This is bearish divergence here. We are not oversold either. Bad long wick to the downside. Sell pressure. Not looking good on the daily, and weekly is not looking so good either. 3-day, almost everything is we might have a little bounce, but not yet. Let me see. Yeah, Dogecoin is not looking so good. Even with those tweets from Elon Musk, it didn't change much. Yeah, it's not looking good. I think we might have a rough month ahead of us. This is against BTC, by the way. Let me check out Dodge USDT. Now, Dogecoin is not looking good. No, Dogecoin is not looking good right now. This monthly candle and this one is not giving any, it's not giving me any confidence that we're gonna see a good reversal. Yeah, there's not much happening. Very, very low action. But a lot of coins have gone down a lot. A lot. There was another one. Let's see. Is this still not dead? Minus 97% just from last year, almost a year ago. Down minus 97%. There are trades to be made, but it's mostly short term, looks like it right now. Just 20 minutes left, guys, and then we're gonna end the stream. Hmm. I wonder if Bitcoin is really gonna go lower than what it did. I wonder if if it's gonna try to, where is that, this trend line, if it's gonna try and touch it again, or but because if we go below this this line here, yeah, then I don't know. We're holding now, but who knows if we're gonna hold tomorrow. So what the chart is telling us is that it looks like the bottom is in, but there's no confirmation, nothing convincing us that that is for sure. With all this bearish action going on, with all this sell pressure, this on the daily, we have bearish divergence, a very bad weekly candle right now, but we will see how it ends. We will see how it ends, but if it ends in a red again, then be cautious maybe. But if the relief rally is over for now, since before yesterday, yes. Was it a bull trap? Is bull trap confirmed? Well, seems like it. Let's have a look at oil. Please, guys, watch my stream from like I think 4 days ago. There's a title US oil pump on one of my streams. Watch that one. This was nothing surprising. Surprising. Look at this kind of inverse head and shoulder as well. Together with this, that's showing bullishness is on the way. All these signs. I mean, this one should be a bit higher probably from here. A nice ascending D triangle, ascending triangle. I felt like it was out of line a little bit, or maybe not. Yeah, no. Very, very nice pump. Maybe I can try to. We have 10 minutes left. I'm gonna try to find. Now, this is the video from 6 or 7 days ago. You can watch the full stream if you'd like to. This is the title of the video. But here, I drew these trend lines live on the stream because I had checked it out earlier when I was analyzing, but I drew it live to show it again, how I came up that a pump would be due soon, probably. So here's the video clip. Was somewhere around $2, or at least this right here. Yeah, I wouldn't be too excited. We do have resistance here too. We didn't even get somewhere here. 0. So yeah, we just stop here and that I'm just going fast forward here. Can you imagine that this was negative zero, negative zero on April 2020? And since then, thank you, inflation. Since then, it's up by $129. Sorry, no, 1,437,855% up. I can't even believe I said that right now. This is sick. And it looks like it wants to continue to pump. It's very easy to see. Look at this. Let's draw a trend line live. So just a moment. I'm going fast forward a bit. Uh, let's see if it's possible to have some kind of ascending triangle here, because I see it, but unless we draw it, I'm not gonna be sure of it. So let's see now. Let me get closer at the 4 hourly. I think it's gonna be easier. Yes, it will be easier. So, I mean, it's not a perfect line right now. Bear with me. I'm just trying to get the idea of it. How perfect is not important. Well, it is important, but right now I'm just trying to show you guys how it could look like. Okay. This line is not so straight. Much better. Okay. Okay, I do see some type of ascending triangle here. And also anyway, guys, if you wanna see more of that stream, just go and search for it on my channel. US oil is pumping. It's looking nice. Bitcoin just started a new daily candle. It's not looking so good, but it's starting off as a green one, but we don't know how it's gonna end. The thing is that we are starting outside of this range. For hourly looks I don't know, it just doesn't look so good. I think we're going down before any upside or something, even to this part level right here, because we started a new daily candle below this channel outside of it. So this unless we get back in, where we can then count on the old range, the sell, the buy and sell range. Right now looks like we can go lower. Anyway, guys, that was it for me. Please consider liking, subscribing, and hit that bell button to get notified before I go live. I'm pretty tired right now. It was a long stream, but not much has changed. Bull trap, in my opinion, confirmed right here. And if you didn't set, if you were actually trading and you didn't have a stop loss, if you went in somewhere at these levels, yeah, it's maybe not a nice look right now. But yeah. Okay, guys. Take care. and comment. Let me know your opinions as well. Like, subscribe, and see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.